Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's do analysis of Adani stocks, and one of the stock of Adani is Adani Green Energy. So guys, as usual, let me get into the monthly time frame. So in monthly time frame, we can see stock is making higher highs and higher lows, and we can see a small retracement here, and again it is trying to go upside. Now let me come to the weekly chart. So in weekly chart, we can see how the liquidity here is being taken out by this candle, and again it is rallying upwards. And this zone becomes important for us in the next sessions. So this being the major supply zone, we can expect a small fall from here, and again it might get into sideways move. As of now, let us mark some of the very important zones. The liquidity below this has been taken out by this candle, and now it is going into sideways move. So since it has taken the liquidity here, we can trade this breakout up to this line, and we need to sell only below this zone. So above this, we can make a buying, this is the buying opportunity, and below this zone is the selling opportunity. I hope this video would have helped you to analyze the stocks better. So if you like the content, please support me by liking, sharing and commenting. Thank you.